Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today we will review about 3-in-1 extendable car window cleaning kit with rotating head. Keeping your car's windows clean is not just about aesthetics, it's also crucial for safety on the road. Finding the right tools to achieve streak-free, crystal-clear windows can be a challenge. In this review, we'll delve into the 3-in-1 extendable car window cleaning kit with rotating head to see if it lives up to its promises of providing a convenient and effective solution for maintaining spotless car windows. Packaging and initial impressions. Upon receiving the product, the packaging was secure and well organized. The 3-in-1 kit comes disassembled with clear instructions on how to put it together. The package includes the extendable pole, the rotating head attachment, and 3 different cleaning attachments: a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and a sponge. The components feel sturdy, and the overall build quality seems promising. Assembly and adjustability. Assembling the kit is a straightforward process, even for those with minimal DIY experience. The extendable pole is made of durable materials, and the sections fit together seamlessly. The telescopic feature allows for easy adjustment of the pole's length, making it versatile enough for various vehicle sizes. The rotating head attachment clicks into place securely, and the 180-degree rotation adds an extra layer of convenience. Cleaning attachments. The kit comes with 3 different cleaning attachments, each serving a specific purpose. The microfiber cloth is perfect for removing dust and light dirt, leaving a streak-free finish. The squeegee is effective in wiping away water and stubborn stains, while the sponge can be used for pre-soaking and loosening grime. The attachments can be easily swapped out thanks to the quick-release mechanism, providing flexibility during the cleaning process. Performance. One of the standout features of this window cleaning kit is its versatility. The extendable pole allows users to reach high and awkward angles without straining or overstretching. The rotating head attachment proves to be a game-changer, enabling users to clean both vertical and horizontal surfaces with ease. The microfiber cloth proved effective in capturing dirt and preventing streaks, while the squeegee efficiently wiped away water, leaving a polished surface. The sponge was particularly useful for tackling tougher stains. The extendable pole's lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the ergonomic grip adds to the overall user comfort. The build quality ensures that the pole remains sturdy even when fully extended, and the locking mechanism prevents accidental collapses during use. Durability. After several uses, the durability of the 3-in-1 extendable car window cleaning kit with rotating head is apparent. The materials used in its construction withstand regular wear and tear, and the cleaning attachments show minimal signs of deterioration. The rotating head maintains its smooth operation, and the telescopic pole remains stable without any wobbling or bending. Storage and maintenance. The kit's design takes into consideration the importance of easy storage. The telescopic pole can be collapsed to a compact size, and the cleaning attachments can be detached for convenient storage. The microfiber cloth is